Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UpBase for planning and organizing gala events, your full 2025 guide. First up, we'll set up our UpBase project. After logging in, click on the New Project button. Fill in the details such as project name, let's call it Gala 2025, and description. This step is crucial as it helps to organize your tasks and ideas in one place. Having done that, you'll want to create your task lists. Look for the Add List button. Click on it and name your list. For example, catering. You can create multiple lists like decorations, invitations, and so on. The reason we do this is to break down the event organization process into manageable categories, making it more streamlined and less daunting. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tasks. Under each list, click on Add Task and describe what needs to be done. For instance, under catering, you could add Contact food suppliers. This step is the backbone of your project planning, allowing you to specify all the tasks needed to pull off a successful gala event. Next up is assigning tasks. Once you've populated your lists, click on each task, then assign. You can select the team member most suited for each task. This helps us because it ensures accountability and makes sure that every task has a dedicated person working on it. Moving along, we now need to set due dates. Click again on each task, then on Set Due Date. Choose an appropriate date for completion. This is especially important because it helps to avoid last-minute rushes, ensuring everything is prepared on time and keeps your team members on track. Now let's talk about monitoring progress. On your dashboard, you can see the status of each task, who's working on it, and when it's due. This provides a clear overview of your project's growth, helping you identify any bottlenecks early. Finally, make use of the UpBase communication tools. You can add comments on tasks, send direct messages, and even hold video meetings. These features promote efficient coordination and communication among your team. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use UpBase to plan and organize your gala event. Remember, the key lies in task division, clear communication, and regular monitoring. Thank you for joining us today. Stay organized, and here's to a successful Gala 2025.